cheap fabric. I think I got these from Ross for probably about $10 or $6 or something crazy cheap like that. But yeah, my feet are pretty big. These are a 10. I never wear a 10, but these brands. So I've never done this before, so bear with me. So we're gonna get these little bedazzly things, and all you'll do is measure it on your shoe, put it at the end, or if you want to start right here, you can put it right there, put it right there if you want. I'm gonna start down here. Sorry about my nails, they're not the best today, but I'm gonna start right here at the end, and I'm gonna hold it down and go all the way around to the other side where I want it to stop, and that's where I'm gonna cut it. And so I already did one. I'm actually gonna do another one so that y'all can see it. But I'm gonna start really close to the edge because all the different parts of your shoe will be different lengths because it's just different amounts of fabric they had to use to cover your feet. And then we're gonna do this front part next because you always want to start from the, I feel like I always start from the opposite sides because it helps me visualize it better. Because if I start right here, what if I want to put my ribbon right there, you know? So I'm gonna put these two here because obviously you know you're gonna end up using those regardless. These two areas. Okay, and then now that we have both of our front pieces cut out, time to glue. Get the glue on your hands. I'm just holding the corners together right now, by the way. But if you get the glue on your hands, just try to wipe it off as fast as you can. If you have kids around, make sure they don't put it in their mouth. It's not edible. Yeah, just be careful, just like you would with any glue. Surprise, we have ribbon. Okay, so I guess my camera wasn't recording when I did the ribbon. I don't know, maybe I didn't push record. I don't know what was going on. But basically this part is exactly the same. You'll cut your ribbon to the size that you want it to be. You'll only glue the ends, so the beginning of the ribbon and the end of the ribbon. You don't want to put glue where it could be visible because sometimes the ribbon changes colors and things of that nature, so just be careful. And then you'll put your rhinestones on top just like you were before. And I'm just getting a toothpick to get this glue off. And I wasn't gonna do this, but I don't like the way it looks all choppy, so I measured this and I cut off a piece that was long enough, and I'm just gonna put that on this part where I was telling y'all this line was. I'm just gonna put it right there so I don't have to worry about those ends.